दिए जितने हमें सुंदर लगते हैं उतना ही ज्यादा मुश्किल होता है उनको बनाना।
In the lanes of Mumbai lies its real culture. And today, I'm visiting the lanes of Kumbharwada in Mumbai's largest slum, Dharavi.
तो आज मैं एक ऐसी जगह पे आई हूँ मुंबई पे जहाँ पे मुंबई के सबसे ज़्यादा दिए बनते हैं। आई एम एट कुम्भारवाड़ा
to explore one of the oldest potters community.
यहाँ पे मेजरली पॉपुलेशन है गुजराती पॉटर्स की।
And what designs you can buy this Diwali? Let's check this out.
दिए जितने हमें सुंदर लगते हैं उतना ही ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है उनको बनाना। ये कुम्हारों का काम बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेहनत का काम होता है जहाँ पे वो लोग घंटों लगे रहते हैं भट्टी और मिट्टी के बीच।
The potters work over here for hours together, lighting up a Diwali with diyas.
एक घंटे में 500 पीस बन जाता है हम लोग से।
After being shaped, it is dried and then baked in kilns or bhattis.
ये कपड़े का चिंदी से जलती है।
Once the diyas are made here, they go to the markets near and far. And I went to the market where you get one of the largest varieties of Diwali diyas in Mumbai. Just behind the settlement is the Kumbharwada market, where potters in shops and on the streets line up their creations, most of which is sold in wholesale at cheap prices.
This place is a heaven if you are looking for diyas for this Diwali.
Let's see what designs they have got for us this time.
Come with me.
Shubh Labh diyas, heart-shaped colorful diyas, the small matki and the big kajal making diya. They were varieties like never seen before by me.
एक सिंपल दिए से कितने ज़्यादा इनोवेशन हो गए हैं आजकल दिए के डिज़ाइन में। यू कैन सी दिस इज़ अ फुल फ्लेजेड छोटी सी गणेश मूर्ति और इसके साथ इन्होंने दिए अटैच करे हैं। There are 1 2 3 4 5 5 diyas
and the list of unique designs was endless.
Now this is a 3-tier diya. This is one of the biggest diyas I have seen at this place, and you can see it has multiple diyas in this. I believe this is great if you put it on your entrance, just near the rangoli, or even in your puja ghar. There's one design that I've come across which looks amazingly pretty to me, which is this lotus design. As you can see, it has a lotus petals. Plus it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 and the 7th diya on the top. Oh my god, isn't this gorgeous?
If you want a fancier diya but in smaller size, there's still great number of options.
So if you want to ditch the simple diyas for a much more fancier version, this is it.
Diyas are no more diyas. They have evolved as a larger tool of functionality.
Now this is a very pretty aarti thali. As you can see, this is the place, this is a diya jahan pe you can put oil and the batti and light it up for the diya.
And then there was this beautiful lamp diya in animal theme.
So talking about the animal theme, this is a very pretty diya design. In fact, it's a lamp. As you can see, it comes with this glass fitting and you can just put the oil inside. यहाँ पे जाएगी दिया बत्ती और इसको अगर हम यहाँ पे ग्लास लगा देंगे तो हवा से आपका दिया बुझेगा भी नहीं। And maybe you don't want to go to the ordeal of refilling the diyas with oil. I think this wax diya is an amazing option. And you know what? It's available in different sizes. Now this is the traditional diya design which has the wax in it. And this is the cute matki design which again has a wax in it. And this is comparatively of a bigger size.
So this Diwali, if you are looking for unique diya designs, come to Kumbharwada and you will not be disappointed.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.